Hello again, people. Right, something slightly different today. It is a vape kit. So, SMOK is the brand. Can't say I've ever heard of them. And it comes with batteries and a little free gift to stop you smashing your little glass bubble. Didn't get a knife to undo this, which might be a problem. Quite unrippable. There we go. It always comes apart, right? That's your little vape. It's got a little screen. Yeah, it's a vape. A vape's a vape, isn't it? 225 watts apparently, but if you read the actual description, it says that the display can read 225 watts. Yeah, it's pretty big. Can't say that, you know, to me that looks like it's been repackaged and shoved back in. Okay, that's the button there, and we have a bit of plastic over the screen. Let's just take that off. It's okay, yeah, looks alright there. Looks a bit manky on the bottom, which I'd expect it to look absolutely spectacularly spanking. There. Right, well, that's that bit. See what else we've got under here. It's meant to come with some coils, which I'm not seeing yet. Yes, that's got quite a big tank on it actually. Right, there's your lead, USB charging lead, which everyone has about a gazillion of. That's the thing for filling it up. I can't get these bloody things up. Tell you something, these coils are a bit big. Okay, they're going to be bloody expensive to replace. Yeah, it's pretty big tank. I believe you press there's a little button here. Yeah, not sure how that works then. Meant to, oh, we'll figure that out later. Do you have a coil in there? Looks like it does. How on earth does this one even open? No spare glass, which is a bit of an arse. No spare glass, bit of an arse. Yeah, there's one in there. I'm not sure what sort of coil that is. Right, let's put that back together. Nice and tight. Yeah, not overly tight. Right, you've got another coil in there. Blah-de-blah. How do you get the batteries in this beast? There's a little button there. No, oh, it goes that way, does it? And opens up. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I should look at the instructions. Oh, there we go. So that's not very secure, really, because that's not even a button. That's just lifted out. Right, okay. Yo, let's put them down like that. Look at these batteries. I've got quite a few of these batteries. I don't really rate them that much. Because I have a Samsung battery in my main vape, and that thing is absolutely fucking awesome. And these ones don't seem to last as long. Why are these boxes so stupidly hard to open? They're that hard that you might as well just rip them. Right, let's do it that way, because it's only batteries in here anyway. There we go, there's your batteries and your little case that you get. I've got some up there. Ba, ba, ba. Wow, even got one of these things. Jesus, it's a bit of an old hat thing that is. Right, let's get the first one in. Yeah, they didn't go in brilliantly, do they? First one in. These both go the same way, do they? That thing works really well. It's just something to get in the friggin' way. Right. The batteries are 1.650s. That's a fire risk, to be quite honest, more than anything else. I don't really know why you'd have that in there, because that's going to get very hot when those batteries get hot. A bad design, that. I know it's not fabric, it's more like, oh, this is magnetic. Right, my light's gone off, that's a shame, isn't it? Right, how on earth do you even turn it on? Maybe. Oh, there is a booklet, right, okay. Filling instructions, yeah, we know about all that. Batteries, yeah. Warranty, well, in my experience with my nunchuckers, they only seem to last a year, if you're lucky. Oh, that's absolutely fantastic. Read the manual. There's one page, and the rest is just in. And the manual is just what's printed on line. Hang on a second. Right. Click the fire key 5 times to enter the menu. Right. That's, of course it is how you turn it off and on. Right. There we go. Screen boot. That was quite a bit of weight on it. Have a look at that, we're booting up, and I'll just see if my light has just run out of batteries. Which, oh no, it's got some. There we go. Right, anyway, there we go. It's on 10 watts. I am, it's got half charge. No atomizer, puff, I have no idea what that means. Right, and okay, up and down, yeah. So you can enter different modes. I think you can update this as well through your computer. But anyway, there you go. Vape, atomizer and everything else. I'm going to put some juice in that. So I've got to figure out how to open it first. Let's have a quick, got your slider at the bottom there for, oh, that's actually quite nice and wide. Right, so you press that and turn it, no, swing it, open it, flip it. I'm really not sure how that's meant to work. Right, I'll give it a bash. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.